Good afternoon, this is Orina Spice. Today I'm going to show you how to make some yeast roti for you guys to see and for you guys to try. And I'll see you in a little bit. Today I'm going to make some yeast roti and want to show you how much flour I'm going to use. So now I have 3 cups of flour in here, and this one actually I'm doing 4 cups. So this is how you have an 8-ounce cup and you measure 4 cups of this. So now that's 4 cups in there. What I'm going to use now, I'm going to use, like we have, you could use a teaspoon or a 3/4 teaspoon. To be measured a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, so I'm making it 3/4. It's not full teaspoon. It's 3/4 teaspoon of yeast. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, but right now I'm using olive oil. Any kind of oil you could use. And I have a cup of water and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to put the salt in. It's optional too, because if you don't want to use salt, you don't care, but I'm going to put like just a little of salt. Just this salt I'm going to put in here, just a little more than a pinch of salt, and then I mix it up. Now I have a cup of warm water for the mixing process, and I'm going to throw the water in. You want it warm because then it's going to help the yeast from getting, to rise faster. That's one reason why you use the warm water. So this is how you're going to do it. I mean, you make it like a little, add the water and you make a little little dough. You're going to use the water a little at a time, so that this way you wouldn't overthrow water. So see, you form like a dough here. So now we got a little more to go. As you coming to the end, you use less because you do not want to add too much. You do not want to get over saggy. So I'm going to finish this up and let you see. So you're all going to be like this. Coming to the end here, I'll just show you this a little as I'm here, as I'm finishing it up. Now we're going to use a little water now, because this is a little dry flour leaf here. So we can incorporate. I need a little more. I don't want it over. So this way, see, you finish here now. I still have a little more there, so I'm going to add a little more water to that. That's how you come into the end. So now I'm going to just put it together like this, and I'll leave it to rise about an hour time. The more the temperature is warmer, it rises faster. That's how it goes. And now we see, this is the dough. So I'm going to let this dough rest, and then I punch it in an hour time to make the roti. So it's finished here. And you get a wave to clean the bowl. You just put some dry flour and you rub it around the bowl like this, and you get it all clean and nice. So I'm going to leave it here now so that it's going to rise. and I'll show you that next step. So now I finished knead the dough, and I'm going to put a towel over it so that you can keep it in a warm place so that it can rise. See you in the next. So now I want to show you that you see it rise, but you could leave it longer, like a couple of hours. This is only into an hour right now, but it still rise. So the more longer you leave it, the more, and if the weather is warm, it really comes out good. So it be like an hour into soaking, and you could see the elasticity in it, that it's good. You could leave it longer if you want, but I'm gonna leave it like this, so it's good now. If it's sticky, you add some flour. Basically, this is it. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make out some small roti. So I'll cut the flour like about all this, depends. You could even make it thinner than this. So this is here to me is good. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Or put some dry flour on it, and then you roll it like this. You put the dry flour, and then you just leave it aside because I'm gonna cook it just now. I'm just gonna show you. So you basically would do all of them the same way. You do it like this, and then you would go it around like this. It's like, you know, making bread. So I'm gonna finish these all up, and then I'll let you see. So basically this is how you do it. I didn't do all because I'm gonna leave some in the refrigerator, but basically this is how it. Now I'm gonna leave it here for maybe the next 30 minutes, then I'll start cook it, and you see the final step. So I want to show you real quick. You know, I only leave for half hour, which you could even put it longer. The longer you wait, maybe you're gonna get you know, maybe it's gonna get more bigger, which it will get more bigger, not maybe. But I'm gonna cook it now. We'll let you see. So I'm gonna roll it out. When you get sticky, you just add flour. I already put my tower to hot, which is something that I cook it on. You call it a tower. Now this is finished, so next I'm gonna put it to cook. So now I put it on my my pan here because it's hot already. You see, start to get color. So you let it cook. See, start to get the bubble up where it started to get it's rising because of the yeast. But you know, you could leave it longer. If you have the time, you make it out and leave it longer, it will get more. This is good. While it's cooking now, you could add a little oil. You could add oil, or you could add ghee, or you could add whatever you want. So right now I'm going to add a little ghee on it. And as it coming to an end, it's finished, I'm going to add a little ghee. Ghee is like clarifying butter. So this is done. So my yeast roti done, nicely done, and it's very soft. That's the thing with these, they're very soft. You touch it like that, it's very soft, and it's really delicious. So this is the Arena Spice. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day. Bye. You try this, you'll love it. The thing is, it is so crusty and very delicious and soft.